Hey guys, and welcome back to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV. But before we even get into this video, if you've been following me and watching me, you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and click that subscribe button now and turn on those bells so you can stay updated on everything that I post. Now that that's out the way, today I'll be doing a review on Affordhair, and they sent me this 13x6 lace front curly wig, and in this box came with my cap, some bomb lashes, and some clips as well. So here's what the wig looks like. It is very soft, and this wig is very affordable. So let's get into this slay. So I already went and bleached my knots and did a little bit of plucking off camera as always. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to install this wig. Now this wig did come with the scraps in it, and you can just adjust it to how you need it to be and put your wig on. And this install today will be glueless, and I will be using the Bio Silk hairstyling spray to get my wig all tacked down and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get to it.
Dice on the beat.
So first things first, I went ahead and put the wig on so I can see exactly where I need to cut off the extra lace. So I'm going to start by cutting off the extra lace around my ears on both sides. And then I will move on to the next step, which will actually be cutting off the lace off the front. And I will do that by slitting the lace in the front, down the middle, and then I will use my eyebrow razor to cut off the extra lace. And that also will help with giving your installation a more natural look, because the hairline will not be straight across, but will be actually going in a zigzag motion. And like I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, to actually tack my wig down, I will be using that Bio Silk hairstyling spray. And this spray is similar to the Got To Be spray, but in my opinion it's much better and it sticks much faster. You don't have to use as much product to get it to stick, and it's like so bomb. You guys should definitely try ordering that product. I found it at a store called Bills here in Miami, but I'm not sure where they sell it, where else they sell it, because I've never seen it anywhere else. But if you guys could probably check Amazon, you should be able to purchase you some there. So taking the Bio Silk, I'm going to start by spraying down my corners first, and then I will work my way towards the center just to make sure that it is tacked down and it does not move. And like I said, you only need a little bit of this product to get it down in place. And I'm just going to take my blow dryer on a warm heart setting and just blow dry that side down. And once I do this side, I will move over to the next side, and then like I said, I will work on the middle section.
On the beat. Dice on the beat.
Now that I tacked down both sides, I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle really fast so I can move this hair out of the way. I'm just going to comb it back, that way no hair is in the way. And then I'm going to continue to use the Bio Silk spray to tack down the rest of my lace. And to make sure that you get that super melted look with the spray, just make sure you push the lace down into your skin as you are blow drying it. But as always, I like to go in with my mousse when I'm doing, especially Well, when I'm using glue and when I'm doing glueless, I use mousse for both, but especially for the glueless because it just gives it that extra melted look to your to your application. And people always assume that all of my wigs be glued, but sweetie, they're never glued, okay? It's just the talent and the mills, okay? So yes, make sure you guys take some mousse and put that all over your hairline and tie that thing down with that elastic band, honey, because it works some wonders and some miracles. So not only am I using an elastic band, but I will actually use my lace maintenance silk tie, and that's just to help give it like that pushback look. Now, I really don't recommend these to tie down the baby hairs or your lace to get really melted, because the elastic band does so much better. But I would definitely say I would use the silk ties for a lace maintenance, tie your hair up if you're working out or if you're going to sleep, because people's hair, tends to lift. So that's what I recommend the silk hair ties for. But anywho, now that I have removed that elastic band, you guys can see it is super melted. And I also took my blow dryer to blow it, to dry it up, because I did not feel like sitting underneath the dryer. And these are the results you get when you use that elastic band to really melt your lace in. So after I'm done blowing drying this off camera, I did go ahead and spray my middle part. I defined it using a black spray and a concealer, because I love the way it cleans the part up and it makes it look so much more neater. So after I did comb this hair out or whatever like that, like I said, I am going to define my part off camera. But in the most recent video, I did show you guys how you can get that same defined parting look. But now I'm going to go ahead and take my mousse and just put it all over this hair. Guys, I really do love this curly wig. It is a very affordable wig that you can purchase. So make sure you guys check out all the stuff down in my description box and coupon codes, etc. But I'm also going to use that bio silk and spray it on the top of my part, because I just want everything to stay in place. And I'm going to use it to spray on the back as well, just so that it stays laid down and everything like that. But this was a very simple installation video for you. I hope you guys did enjoy this. And here is a video of me getting ready to go to a networking event after I installed the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial. Make sure you check out all descriptions. Thank you.